Outdated marketing advice you should leave behind. If you're trying to grow or sustain your small business, avoid these 4 common mistakes. Number 1, sending multiple emails every day. Let's be real. No one likes a cluttered inbox. It's a quick way to lose subscribers, not gain customers. Number 2, trying to please everyone. If you are speaking to everyone, you are speaking to no one. Focus on your ideal audience and connect with them directly. 3, chasing viral post every time. Going viral is great, but strategy beats spectacle. Consistent, targeted content drives real results. Number 4, being on every platform. More isn't always better. Choose 2 or 3 platforms where your audience actually hangs out and show up strong there. Bottom line, smart marketing is intentional, not overwhelming. Let's refresh your strategy and grow your business the right way. If you want to know more, visit our website. I, Aladdin, confidently assure a winning return on invest. Your money will be well spent with granted result. Thanks for watching.